Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about tools, honest reviews, DIY projects, workshop tips, and helping you decide which tools are actually worth your money. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new review. Now let's take a look at the Parkside 4-volt Cordless Soldering Iron. At first glance, this is exactly what it's designed to be. A compact, lightweight, cordless soldering iron for quick jobs without having to drag around extension cords or plug into the wall. The first thing you'll notice is how comfortable it feels in your hand. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and easy to control, making it ideal for precise work. Because it's powered by a built-in 4-volt rechargeable battery, you can literally throw it in your toolbox or backpack and take it anywhere. That's probably its biggest advantage. Heat-up time is surprisingly quick for a cordless soldering iron. Within a short time, you're ready to start working on electronics, connectors, small wires, LED projects, hobby kits, RC models, and other DIY repairs. Now let's talk about where it performs well and where it doesn't. For small electronic components, wire repairs and quick fixes, it does a really nice job. The portability makes it incredibly convenient when you're working away from your bench. However, this is definitely not a replacement for a full-size soldering station. If you're soldering thick cables, large connectors, or heavy metal parts, you'll quickly notice its limitations. There's simply not enough power for demanding jobs, and during long working sessions, you'll also have to keep an eye on battery life. Let's sum up the pros. PROS, completely cordless, compact and lightweight, fast heat-up time, easy to carry everywhere, perfect for DIY and hobby work, great value for the money. And now, the cons. Cons. Limited power for heavy-duty soldering. Battery isn't designed for continuous professional use. Not ideal for large connectors or thick wires. Cannot replace a professional temperature-controlled soldering station. So who is this tool actually for? If you're a DIY enthusiast, hobby maker, electronics beginner, RC builder, or someone who just wants a reliable portable soldering iron for occasional repairs, this makes a lot of sense. On the other hand, if you're an electronics technician soldering all day, every day, you'd probably be much happier with a professional soldering station. Final thoughts. For the price, the Parkside 4-volt cordless soldering iron is a solid little tool. It doesn't try to compete with professional equipment, and honestly, it doesn't need to. It's designed for convenience, portability, and quick repairs, and that's exactly where it shines. If that's what you're looking for, it's definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Mr. Eaglestone, and let me know down in the comments which tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.